2021 Fulfillment by Amazon. All you need to know. E-commerce seems like a cakewalk to most people. You sell items and gain profit. In reality, it means dealing with inventory, packing and shipping orders, and supervising customer service. This is where Amazon FBA comes in and saves the day. What is FBA? It stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. And essentially, this allows sellers to pick, pack, and ship their products hassle-free. With FBA, Amazon's fulfillment centers will be in charge of accommodating your products. To add to that, Amazon will also administrate customer service on your behalf. Basically, the company will do all the heavy lifting for you. Let us now move on to some of its upgraded features. Stickerless commingled inventory refers to the products stored in Amazon fulfillment centers which are specifically not associated with any merchant ID. For those who are not familiar with this term, a merchant ID is also known as the seller ID. And this number represents your storefront and the products you sell. Moving on, the process when a store receives an order goes like this. A customer orders. The seller is credited. The item shipped to the customer will be any of the products identical to the order. Ultimately, this makes the whole processing of orders faster, since Amazon can choose whichever warehouse is closer to the customer. Another upgraded feature on Amazon is the Inventory Performance Index, IPI, which is a number that determines how well sellers are managing their inventory. And this computed score, between 0 and 1,000, will help sellers improve how they handle inventory. Results above 500 represent an excelling business, and below 450, the opposite. But how can we derive this number? The thing is, we do not know exactly. Amazon has not disclosed the procedures on how to arrive at this number yet. However, the company states that the scores are based on the ability of businesses to drive sales through stocking relevant items. How efficiently a brand manages its inventory also plays a role in this. Moving on, let's get into its benefits. One thing is for sure, Amazon FBA will scale your business while saving you more time. It will help you speedily ship your items without you having to lift a finger. And a quicker delivery period will land you a higher chance of securing a buy box. Lastly, Amazon FBA will help you achieve omni-channel fulfillment, which is when an order fulfillment gets completed in more than one channel. With that, let's gloss over some disadvantages of FBA. Product preparation may be tricky with FBA. As mentioned earlier, when a customer orders, Amazon will ship any of the stored identical products. This means that Amazon may deliver an item you did not necessarily send to the warehouse. Should this occur, your customer may receive a product similar, but not exact, to what he or she has ordered. It will result in more returns, which is not good for your business. Another thing is, all of this can bring you fees over fees. Just remember that FBA can give you a ton of expenses, meaning it can get pricey. So, speaking of fees, how much will it all cost you? FBA fees change annually due to reassessments. So, just to give you an idea, here are the costs you need to know about. Firstly, we have general fulfillment fees, which depend on the size and weight of your products. As for storage fees, it is what the name suggests, which is how much space your products occupy inside the warehouse. You will also be billed removal order fees, or how much you will pay Amazon to dispose of your unsold products. Lastly, there are miscellaneous fees, which include unplanned preparation fees, return processing fees, and long-term storage fees. So, is Amazon FBA really worth it? It all comes down to three things: your product, target market, and profit margins. But most importantly, if you are desperately looking for a way to save time. So, take time to assess your goals before getting into Amazon FBA. Do leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And make sure to visit us at selleruniverse.com for more resources to help you in your e-commerce journey. See you there.